Good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. For today's video, I'm going to show to you a medicinal plant. This is also an ornamental because some people don't know that this is a medicinal plant. The seeds of these plants eliminates worms, especially the ascaris and the trichina. We use the matured seeds. We just have to eat 5 to 7 seeds for kids and 8 to 10 for adults. If the worms does not come out after eating, you have to wait at least 1 week before having another one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.